Right guys, so we're back with another video, and the next one is I might use Facecam, don't know. But it might be a bit glitchy because it just said network problems, and I'm literally a wall behind. So, I don't know, but this is glitchier in the video because the screen recorder than it actually is. It's not glitching for me right now, but I don't know what it's gonna see. Here we go. Logging in as Luke's talking. Right here nearly. Continue. Oh jeez, I'm trying to press it with my mouse, Jesus. Continue. Oh, and it'll take ages to load, so I'll see you when that happens. Alright guys, in the last one, if you want to go and check out, see what really happened, I am kind of telling you here, but like I got an actual gun, so that's really good because then I don't have to waste money on 3D printing one, but I probably still will 3D print one. It's like I just have one more anyway, but the police guns and stuff are a lot better than the guns that you 3D print and stuff. They reload way quicker. Right, so I am here. I have to go there and get a car. Oh, I can't make cars reverse and stuff yet. Oh no, right, you here. Let me hijack. I don't care about cat videos. Oh, that's a long way. Right, so this is DedSec place, I think. DedSec's the gang thing I'm in, Hackers Gang. Oh, we do a thing on that, I think. Yeah, I am uploading a video like right now about that. Oh, this is better. This is sick. Can I get money? I'm just wiring a ton of money here. Mostly not money, but still. Money. Okay. Can I get in your car, please, sir? No. Oh, jeez. Can you, like... Geez. Need to catch up with him. Oh, jeez. I wanted to get in the car. Bye. Geez, that's a pretty slow car. Well, when the driver's in it. Come on, you naughty boy. Set on fire, car. Oh yeah, there it is. What do I have to shoot I've not shot yet? See, this is the gun I got, and it's like... Is there any... Oh, jeez, why is it not... Oh, there you go. Why am I doing this exactly? Right, Alright, this is just weird. I just can't be, like, bothered doing the actual thing. I just want to shoot this car. Okay, it won't go on fire. Can I still drive it? No, I cannot. Just great. Can I take your car, mister? Please? No, let me... Can I take your motorbike, please? Thank you very much. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Would I have been able to shoot that and it blew up? Right. Thanks, pal. Right. Don't care. Jesus. Oh no, oh no, oh no. That's Dante Jam's fault. Great title and thumbnail. Dante DM. Nearly. Dante DM made me crash. Oh yeah, that's great as well. Oh, thanks for this money, cuz. Oh yeah. Why are you calling the cops? Come on, I just finished getting into a different vehicle and now it glitches as well. Stop this. Oh, how did I get on? Aha, that's what we needed. A bit of an explosion. Aha. Alright, guys. Oh, I want to get in this bus. Is that a possible thing? It is. Let me get in the bus. Right, oh, achievement. Something to ride. Hey, Cortana. Doesn't work. A normal... Oh, I blew up a car. You can see it there, fire. A normal car, we didn't... Look all the smashed windows. A normal car, we didn't survive that. It just wouldn't. I just know. Right now we are going to the halfway base, which I know exactly where it is. Look at what that explosion did. Jeez, I did blow up a bus. How did you get the other windows as well? Let me just do that. No. Damn it. Just get out my way. Quickly, I need to get into here. Yes, quickly, before the cops kill me. Here we go. First time in here, is it? Yeah, it is. Action completed. Ubisoft Club. Oh, sick. Well, I've been here before, because I played, like, the game before. There's 3D printer. Hmm. Sick. So there's that. Literally, you have to gain a ton of followers. When we're hackers, and we can literally just hack to get followers. Okay. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.